Good evening, everyone. So I am Shreya Mehrotra, and welcome to my first vlog, which is totally about what is the news source and how do we cultivate and deal with them. So, according to me, a news source is something that provides you information in a period of time. uh, in today's time, we can see that anybody can report incident that is taking place. If you are present there or something is going around in your neighborhood, you can go there and record it, and you can even report it as a reporter. So there is no specific ethics for being a reporter today. Anybody can be a reporter, but not a journalist, definitely. So one news source is you yourself, as you can record anything what's going around you. Second, it can be newspapers, as newspaper is a very reliable source of information. You can go through it, you can read it n number of times until and unless you get the facts very clear. The third news source can be radio, as it has no targeted audience, and even a 5-year child to a grown-up can listen to it. For example, if you want to know the scores of a online going match, you can listen to it. You can listen songs at the same time for your entertainment, and even get the very specific news about the national problems that are going on in a country. So then TV channels, you can even switch on your TV channels and know where they narrate the whole story of what was happening in that specific incident, and how did they cover it. They have related videos or specific facts that they present in front of you for you to believe it. Sometimes press releases. For now also, I'm going to give you an example. If you get to know that there is a new phone that has been launched in a market, or a new car has come up, they have come up with a new version of it. So how do you come to know? It may be because of the reporters that are present there, or the press releases that the company organize for the press releases, press meetings that are going on. So these are the some sources. Also, some other sources are like if there is an accident that took place, so there are some eyewitness who they can confirm about what was happening, or the nearby police station can confirm about the incident, or even the hospitals where they've been taken or they've been taken care of. So these are some resources or the relevant sources for the news. So talking about how to cultivate them, if you find a source and you are really willing to get him to your business, so some things that you need to keep in mind are, you need to be very thorough with your research. Before you go to meet that source, you need to be very thorough with your research about that specific person you're going to meet. You need to be very serious. You can meet that source in a form of breakfast at approximately 9 a.m., as it is the perfect time to have discussions, and you need to build a strong working relationship with that person, because sometimes if you don't have that relationship, you only get the limited amount of news that you get. So you need to be very specific, very research oriented, and a good person, so that you get and dig more and more of information from that person, and that should be very relevant. You should know that you should get to know that specific news is relevant and is true. It is not fake, because sometimes because of fake news you get misguided, but you should not focus on that. You should find out more about it to make sure that it is a true information. You don't have to be over friendly with that person, because that can lead to future problems with you only. So there should be a very professional bonding between you and the source. You should be very confident in front of that person. You should know about the work, how they're good at work, what is actually their work, and is it actually worth it. Then you should focus on yourself, that how many subscribers do you have. If that news is uploaded, how much people would react to it, how will they watch it, what is your audience, what do they want, what kind of content do they want, is your source and is your news relevant, is that providing specific and proper information to people, are they getting it or not? So it is a total process that keeps on going. So you have to look step by step that everything is coordinated, may it be finding new sources, building up relation with them, and then providing it to the audience. So if everything goes well, then it is a well developed news. So that's how all the news channels find their sources, build up good relation, and then present it to the people. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you next week.